What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNY Crypto. In this video, we're going to be going more in depth on the current cryptocurrency market dip. We have dipped a little bit further since the previous video earlier today in the crypto trading update I did. I'm going to go over some bad news that definitely helped push the price down and cause some panic. I'm also going to go over some articles and other stuff as well, and I do have a couple of announcements in this video as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so we do have the cryptocurrency markets dropping a little bit more since my video a couple hours ago doing a trading series update. If you guys haven't checked that out, I show you guys my new balance in my Binance US account. We're making huge progress in that. We started with 10,000 at the beginning of summer, and the goal is to get to 100,000, and we're basically at 80,000 right now, so we're almost there. And I will be starting the 1,000 to 10,000 series very soon as well, and I do have an announcement for that in this video. So jumping into the crypto markets, we did dip a little bit below 51,000. When we did have that flash crash, Bitcoin did drop to 48,000. We had some altcoins dropping a lot more. So I did hear about some exchanges where the prices of some altcoins dropped much further. For instance, on Kraken, I heard ADA went as low as 20 cents for a split second, and I think this is because some exchanges don't allow you to put that low of buy orders, or the flash crash just happened so quickly there wasn't enough buy support, but it instantly recovered, and ADA actually is holding support stronger than a lot of the other top 10s here in this crash. And I do think that's because we're leading up to the Merry Hard Fork coming up on March 1st. I definitely think ADA has the possibility to be doing $2 to $3 in the upcoming few weeks. We have major partnerships and other things in the works as well for ADA. So as I've been saying, ADA is one of the cryptocurrencies in the top 10 I think is going to have the best ROI throughout 2021. I'm still bullish on Litecoin as well, but that's continuing to dip pretty much alongside Bitcoin until we get closer to some bigger events for Litecoin, like PayPal launching crypto merchant payments. Litecoin also has privacy upgrade coming. The testnet for this is going to be on March 15th. So hopefully they can roll that out quickly, because that would make Litecoin the only top 10 crypto with a privacy feature. And that's pretty huge, because crypto, one of the main things about crypto people are big on is privacy. So I do think that would be pretty huge alongside the launch of crypto merchant payments. So it is very possible this dip continues downwards of 20 to even 30%. I do think we have pretty strong support though. The flash crash really didn't last long. We had a lot of support coming in, people buying the dips on these major discounts. So we got a lot of new buyers in the markets, and these type of dips are perfect opportunity for new buyers to continue buying in and doing dollar cost averaging. So before we get into some cryptocurrency news and some FUD that definitely caused some panic and sell-offs in the market, I do want to make an announcement. I did partner with Voyager app for the trading series challenge going from $1,000 to $10,000. We'll be doing this challenge throughout 2021. And I'm going to be swing trading altcoins, showing you guys every update throughout 2021. And the goal is to do a 10x starting with just $1,000. So I did partner with them, and they did agree to expedite account signups for anyone that signs up with my referral link. Also, if you sign up with my referral link, we'll both get $25 when you deposit your first $100 in this app. So there will be a link to sign up in the video description. I'll also put the code here over the screen. And if you do already have the app, you can just attach that referral code to your account when signing up. Make sure you use that referral code though, if you do want to get the $25 bonus, and then also get your account rushed to get approved. So if you guys want to sign up today, I will be doing the first video for this tomorrow and showing you guys what altcoins I'm buying. Also, I have another announcement for you guys. I'm launching the big crypto giveaway I've been talking about for the last couple of weeks. $25,000 in crypto prizes. This is launching at noon tomorrow. So I will let you guys know again when this is live. I'm going to be adding some more entries here as well. Thanks to SparkPoint for sponsoring this giveaway. They made this possible. So this crypto giveaway contest is much bigger than the last one. The last one was only around $3,500 worth of prizes. This one is $25,000, and basically to celebrate hitting 100,000 and 200,000 subscribers over the last month. Thank you guys so much for following, liking, and sharing the videos. It really means a lot. So we do have a total of 25 winners here, 10 random winners of 1,000 of Ethereum and 15 random winners of $1,000 worth of SparkPoint SRK. So this is going to be the last big giveaway I do for quite a while because it is a lot of work, and I do want to put my focus into creating some crypto products and working on the crypto membership site as well. I will be launching that crypto membership pre-sale coming up as well. I will be announcing the date and time for that. That's going to be sometime in the first week of March coming up. So I will let you guys know again tomorrow when this does launch. It's going to be launching at noon PST. So getting into the crypto news in the FUD, we did have Janet Yellen comment on Bitcoin once again, and she did cause the last dip as well. So Janet Yellen is the new Treasury Secretary, and when she did come into office and announced taxing unrealized capital gains, that did cause a big cryptocurrency dip as well. We did recover from there though, and I do think we'll be recovering from this dip as well. So Yellen sounds a warning about extremely inefficient Bitcoin. Secretary Janet Yellen on Monday warned that Bitcoin is an extremely inefficient way to conduct monetary transactions. Pretty much everyone knows this. People don't buy Bitcoin to do transactions. They buy Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to gold, being like digital gold. If people were to buy for transactions, they would use something else like Litecoin, XRP, or dozens of other altcoins now that are third generation and have much faster speeds and everything. So once again, Yellen commented that Bitcoin, she fears, is mostly used for illicit finance, which is just ridiculous because every transaction is on the blockchain and can be tracked. Meanwhile, cash is used for more illicit finance than all cryptocurrencies combined. So this is just ridiculous in my opinion. She's just causing fear in the markets, also stating it's an extremely inefficient way of conducting transactions, and the amount of energy that's consumed in processing those transactions is staggering. So of course, it's not 100% efficient, and a lot of cryptocurrencies are moving from proof of work to proof of stake for those energy reasons. But putting fear in the markets like this, I think, is just ridiculous. But I think Elon Musk making that statement that Ethereum and Bitcoin are high right now, I think that had more of an effect on the market because he is the richest person in the world now. He's also had interest in cryptocurrencies, having Tesla buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and just recently with the price of Bitcoin being over $55,000, Tesla is over $1 billion in profit from that in just a span of 1 month. So Bitcoin tanks 10% after Elon Musk says prices seem high, and he did make this comment discussing with Peter Schiff in a thread on Twitter. So this took place in a thread that Peter Schiff started, basically quoting something Elon Musk previously said about Bitcoin being almost as BS as fiat currency, but he kind of twisted his words, and then Elon Musk ended up replying, and I think Peter Schiff got what he wanted out of this because Elon Musk saying, that said, Bitcoin and Ethereum do seem high. And I do think that uncertainty definitely caused some panic in the space as well. Seeing as everything is already up really high, I do think some people are taking profits, seeing as a lot of people are up 20x and more on some cryptocurrencies. So I did warn about this over the past couple days, and we did get this dip. So it doesn't help the richest guy in the world being uncertain and saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum seem high right now. So some articles here on Cointelegraph. 3 Bitcoin price metrics show bulls were not fazed by today's $1.6 billion liquidation, a massive amount of liquidation. This is Bitcoin alone as well. If you add in all the liquidations on all the other altcoins and everything in different markets, it's probably much higher. So we did have a bullish signal here with this market dip. Bitcoin prints biggest hourly candle in history after Bitcoin rebounds strongly to 54,000. So that flash crash didn't last long. Within an hour, it instantly rebounded to 54,000. But of course, now Bitcoin is bleeding a little bit. But I do think as buyers buy the dips, I do think we will be having a recovery. So fresh criticism from the US Treasury Secretary fuels an already fierce correction, briefly taking Bitcoin to $47,400 lows. So we really haven't had much of a correction here in the markets yet, with things being so bullish and continuing to move upwards. So a small correction like this is healthy and it's expected. People are taking profits. Not only that, but Janet Yellen making those comments. At the same time, Elon Musk showing a lack of confidence in Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. I definitely think that did cause some short-term panic, but we do have a lot of buying pressure in the space, and a lot of new buyers in the space are taking this opportunity to buy the dip. So it is good for a lot of people. Tomorrow I will be buying some cryptocurrency as well if the dip continues. So Bitcoin loses $6,000 in minutes. Buyers line up to steal sub $50,000 Bitcoin. So lots of buying pressure ready to go to buy up Bitcoin, pushing it instantly back up to $54,000 within 1 hour, the biggest hourly candle ever in Bitcoin history. I think that's pretty bullish news and definitely shows very strong support for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin price crashes below 48,000, but is the bull market in danger? Bearish divergence implying further downside to come, which we did get that further downside, and that could continue. March historically isn't a bullish month. So last March is when we had that huge market crash, not only in the crypto markets, but also the stock market due to panic from the coronavirus. This is when coronavirus really started spreading and there was just mass panic all at once, people just panicking and pulling profits. I actually picked up Binance BNB token that night for $8. And as you guys know, BNB is now around $250, touching $350 just a couple days ago. So there is great opportunity in that if you do have cash ready to buy those type of dips. Like Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are being fearful. So critical levels to watch for Bitcoin. The daily chart of Bitcoin shows some critical levels to watch for the current period. First of all, the recent drop down brought Bitcoin's price to a vital support level. It should hold this zone between $42,000 and $44,000 to avoid more downside. If this doesn't hold, a further drop to the level of around $37,000 is likely. This would also grant a retest of the 21-week MA. However, if the green zone between 42,000 and 44,000 does provide support, a rebound is likely towards $63,000. So we actually are continuing to drop as I'm making this video. We just dropped below 50,000 again, pretty much holding right around here. So if we do drop even more to 42 to 44,000, that is critical. We hold around there. So articles like this definitely don't help the markets as well. People will sell just expecting it to drop to 42 to 44,000, trying to flip and pick up more Bitcoin by doing that. So we'll see what happens over the next couple days if there's enough buying pressure and people buying the dips to push the price upwards. And then if that does happen, we could be moving upwards of that $63,000 Bitcoin. But it is very likely we continue dropping as well since we haven't had a huge market correction yet. So something else I do want to talk about before I end this video is Elon Musk changing his profile picture to this fork in the road. Some people think this is referencing Cardano, Merry Hard Fork that's coming on March 1st. Some people think it's referring to Dogecoin. So he's never mentioned Cardano once, and he did mention Dogecoin a couple times in the past couple days. So I stated, is Elon Musk about to fork Dogecoin, or is this referring to the Cardano Merry Hard Fork coming, or something completely else? So we have no idea. Elon Musk is known for memes, so we don't know if he's just messing with everyone or if this is referencing something coming up. It is very possible he creates his own altcoin. He has discussed this. Basically, he wants the top holders of Dogecoin to sell off. Because they are preventing the price of Dogecoin going up. The top 12 holders of Dogecoin basically hold around 50% of the entire supply of Doge, and that's not going down. I actually looked at these addresses, and a lot of them have hundreds of millions of Dogecoin going in and out. So they're not really being reduced. They're basically just day trading and flipping and making huge amounts of money using Elon Musk's tweets to day trade Dogecoin. So it is very possible he creates his own version of Dogecoin. Some people even said that he'd be creating it on the Cardano blockchain, which that would be very interesting. So it is possible he creates his own version of Dogecoin where he airdrops to all current Dogecoin holders besides the top 12 wallets just to force them out. So we'll see if this actually is referring to anything cryptocurrency related or if he's just messing with everyone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget, I will be launching the crypto giveaway tomorrow. There will be daily entries in this so you can increase your odds of winning. And then also I will have the crypto challenge launching tomorrow, going from $1,000 to $10,000 flipping altcoins. This will be a series I'll be doing throughout 2021. So if you do want to be notified about this, be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell. And I will have a playlist for this on the channel as well as soon as I do the first video. So be sure to get signed up now with Voyager if you do want to get that $25 bonus. Be sure to use my Voyager code. That info will be in the video description, and then your account will be expedited and verified quicker as well from what they told me if you do sign up with my referral code. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the crypto space, I do recommend checking out my cryptocurrency guides playlist as well. There's a great video here about dollar cost averaging and buying the dips for long-term success as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.